Hello, this is Anthony from OpenERP, and I wanted to present you a new product that we are currently developing. It's a new CMS and e-commerce system. It's open source and it uses OpenERP as a backend. But first, I wanted to show you a few things that we don't like in current CMS system. One of the things we don't like is that you have a duality between the backend and the frontend, and each time you want to edit something that appears on your website, you have to go through a backend and edit your content in special forms, then save it and see the result. There is a second thing that we don't like in the current CMS system, is that to organize the navigation of your web page, like the footer or the top link, you have to organize complex objects like menu items with children's, and so we try to come up with a simpler solution. So here is the default website that you get, and once you logged in, it's the same website that you see, except that you have a black bar at the top, and in this black bar you have an edit button, and this edit button will allow you to edit everything. So let's begin with easy things, like for example editing the title. Welcome website. Oops. Everything can be customized. Okay, so here I just edited simple things using the rich text editor. But now let's go further and add a new page. So usually in CMS system you have to go to the backend and create a new page. So what we did is we just add a link to a non-existing page, like in a wiki. So let's make a page about a promotion here, and link it. Okay, let's save it. So if I click on it, I will land on a 404 page, and I have the option to create a page. This works like a wiki. Now you can see that the page I just created looks ugly compared to the home page. So it's something we wanted to find a solution about, giving the tools so that people who are not designers are able to create nice looking web page, and that's the building blocks. So what I can do is here I can use different snippets of page. Let's add a second one here. Let's save. And based on those snippets, I can edit them after. Here, title. Let's make a title here. Here, let's save. And so for us, a theme is not only a nice layout, it's also a set of small bricks that you can use in your different pages, and it gives the ability to sales and marketing people who are not good at designing things to be able to create pages that are as good looking as what a designer would do. Okay, let's go back to our home page, and you can see that I added promotion here in the footer, and if I go on the contact us page, I go on the footer and I can see the same promotion. So depending on what content you edit, it appears on the place it should appear. So for example, let's edit the name of the company here. Okay. I edited the name of the company, and because this CMS is built on an ERP system, some of the things that appear are actually business objects in the ERP system. So the company name is actually used, for example, in the footer. So you can see that the footer has changed and has now the new company name. Yep. I could do the same with the phone number here. Okay. And also I can change the address. Grand Rosière. Okay. And you can see that the map is updated because the address I change here, if I go back in the backend, is actually the address of the company configured in the ERP system that I just changed. Let's go back to the contact us page. You can see the contact us page is just a button to send an email, and we want to add something like our offices are closed this week. Okay, save. And because we use OpenERP as a backend, it's also integrated with the different applications available on OpenERP. So I will now sign in and install a new application, the CRM module. And once you have the CRM, you want to handle the incoming link differently. So what will happen is that the CRM application is integrated and will change this contact us page to introduce a contact form automatically. Unfortunately, I have to restart my server here because it's still a prototype. Let's go back to the website and to the contact us page, and you can see my button to send an email has been replaced by a contact form. Mr. Cat. 1, 2, 3. Test. And now if I go back to the ERP system, I go into the leads, and you can see that the contact form created a lead, and I can convert my lead to an opportunity, and now I have an opportunity that I can manage in the standard OpenERP system. So, but let's go back to the website. There are also some things that you want to edit that are more dynamic. For example, this banner, and for those you have a special set of control here. Like you can add a new banner. Second banner 2. Let's save it. And it's done. And if you want to go back, if you want to edit the first one, you first have to select it and then edit it, and you can also edit the first one like this. Now let's add another module, the e-commerce module. Oops, same mistake again. Settings here. Okay. Website. As you can see, the e-commerce has added a few items here on the top, a shop link and a shopping cart, and here you have all your products that you have inside the ERP system that are available to buy online. So, but because I'm logged, I'm able to edit those products. So, for example, let's take this USB adapter and edit it. And if I click here and I edit the price and say 2,000, yes, euro. what I did, because this price comes from the ERP system, if I go inside the ERP system and I look at the product, I can see that the price of the item has been changed also. So because this information comes from the business side, it's automatically updated. So let's buy some USB adapter, and I could also edit the title. For example, I edit the title of the product here, blah blah blah, and it's reflected in the backend also. So no need to go to the backend to edit simple things. Let's go to my shopping cart. Now I have one item. Okay, and I fill the billing information, telephone, okay, company, blah blah blah, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and let's pay this, and it's done. And because it's fully integrated with the ERP system, if I go in the sales order, I will see that I have a new sales order that has been created, because actually a filled shopping cart is a sales order. Let's go back to the website, and no, this concludes my presentation. I hope you like it and you see the different possibilities of this new CMS integrated with an ERP system. Thank you.